What's up everybody? In this video I will show you how to fix bad student sound problem easy and quick. To fix this problem, just follow and watch this video till the end. Open the settings of your phone first, click on apps option and search for bad student and click. So here now scroll this list down and click storage option, click clear cache right now, and after that back click at force stop and click OK. You move after that to Play Store or App Store, try to update Bad Student, restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and